Hello, my name is Tracy Greer. I'm the construction manager for America's Home Place in Alvin, Texas. What I'd like to address is just how fluid of a situation building a new home is, especially in these times that we live in. Even though we try our hardest to build it right on paper first, eventually there are going to be little things that crop up, little problems, and that's the job of a project manager to deal with those on a daily basis. We try not to get our buyers involved in anything other than the big problems and the big questions. They're trusting us to do what's right, to build the home that they drew out on paper. Sometimes we make it look very easy, easier than it really is. It takes a very special person to be a project manager. It is a life calling, very rewarding in the end when you can drive by completed homes and families living in there and subdivisions full of families and know that you had a hand in that. So again, my name is Tracy Greer with America's Home Place, Alvin, Texas.